Now, you often see us post about how we find the root cause of your health concerns here in our office, and you may be wondering what exactly that means, right? Because we don't always say exactly what we are looking for. That's what I'm about to do. So truly, all we look for as Gonstead chiropractors is, do you have a subluxation of your spine? And truly, all that is a misalignment of one of the vertebrae of the spine to the point that it causes pressure on these exiting nerves. Now, we know that the nervous system controls and coordinates every single function of the body. So anything that causes pressure or reduced nerve transmission will in turn have a dysfunction somewhere in the body, wherever that nerve goes, whether it be a cell, tissue, organ, gland, muscle, whatever it may be. So a lot of times people come in with health concerns or back pain, headaches, digestive issues. Those are what we call secondary conditions. Those are the effects of what we are actually looking for, which is nerve pressure caused by a subluxation. You may be wondering also, well, how do I know if I have one of these? Well, first we have to check your spine, see if there's any areas of dysfunction. And if we find it, with the process of a simple adjustment, we will correct that to remove the nerve pressure, restoring your proper nerve transmission, which in turn will increase your overall health.